If you're trying to start your car, but your car just doesn't turn on, it means your car's battery is too low to start the engine. So to be able to turn on your car again, you will need to jump start. Open the front trunk of your car, find your battery. To jump start, you could use jump starter power pack. Insert the plug of the clamp into the jump starter. Then the green and red light indicators, as shown in here, should start flashing alternatively. It means now you could connect the clamps. Lift the red cap from the positive terminal of your battery. It's very important to connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Tip: you could expand the clamp completely and put it all around the terminal like this. Once again, check that green and red light are flashing alternatively. Now go back to your car and turn the key all the way. You might have to hold it for a few seconds as shown in here. If your car is still not starting, then make sure your radio, fan, lights, AC and whatever that uses electricity is turned off, and then try again and it should start. Usually it would start the first time. Now you can remove the black clamp and then the red clamp, remove your jump starter and you're good to go. I totally recommend using this jump starter. I will put its Amazon link in the description. To be honest, it has saved me many times. Make sure it is fully charged and then it can stay in your car for many months, if not years, without the need to charge it again, and you can use it in case of emergency.